Hi, I'm Matt Samuelsson and I'm teaching the IoT for implementation teams that will show you how to do this. Fully incorporating IoT in a business takes more than a demonstration project. Done correctly, IoT can transform your business in ways similar to what the internet did 25 years ago. By focusing on all the aspects of IoT implementations, strategy, marketing, technology, and bringing things to market, we will go through all the aspects of creating an IoT business and then focus on the goals of making that business drive you towards the data-driven enterprise. During the course, we will go through all the different steps of implementing an IoT business, from the strategy formulation to technology implementation and marketing. We do this in order to get your team onto the same page so that you all understand the different steps. We then end the course by showing a real example with real technology, going from the devices all the way to applications using real access platforms and real IoT cloud services. The seminar is targeted at 3 to 4 member implementation teams at director or VP level in your company. It's made up of 8 fast-paced segments. What is IoT? Data and the data-driven business models. Preparing for your IT business. What's out there? Knowledge, technology, suppliers, and more. What are the decisions you have to make? Decisions. There are many. Your IoT project approaches organization and implementation. Then we're going to look at who can help, an IT implementation template and real example, from real device to real applications. And then we're going to finalize with a section for your IT business, from planning and design to deployment and growth. What will your team get from this seminar? Well, you will get an understanding how to implement an IoT business in your company. You will understand who's out there who can help you. You will understand a real example going through the detailed steps from beginning of planning to the actual launch of the project itself. But most important, it will bring your IoT team onto one common page with a common vocabulary, a common understanding of the challenges of the business, so that you can form an effective team in implementing your IoT business.